Hello there. In the aftermath of that winter storm really that we had Thursday and Friday, it brought very heavy snowfall. Our hillier parts of the UK have been left with a winter wonderland. This was the scene overlooking the Peak District in Home Firth. Meanwhile, this Weather Watch picture could have come straight from the Alps. This is Capel Curig in Snowdonia, caked in snow. And this satellite picture from NASA shows you can see extensive snow cover across Wales, Northern England, Northern Ireland, southern and northern areas of Scotland. And it is Snowdonia that's seen the greatest snow depths. This morning still had 22 centimetres of snow lying on the ground. Not far behind that was Leek in the Staffordshire Moors with 20 centimetres of snow. Now there is a bit more snow to come overnight, whereas most of us will see milder air pushing in. Just for a time there'll be a bit of snow over the hills of northern England and Scotland. Now above 200 metres elevation, a few centimetres of snow possible, but quite high up above 400 metres elevation you could be looking at around 5 to 10 centimetres of snow. But because it is just the higher hills, the risk of disruption is certainly a lot less than it was compared with the weather system that went through Thursday and Friday. Now heading into the second half of the weekend, we've got some strengthening southwesterly winds set to move in across the UK, and they will be dragging in some much milder weather conditions. So a bright start to the day for many of us on Sunday, but then cloud thickens across western areas, and through the afternoon outbreaks of rain start to move in. The wettest weather looks to be across parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland, but look at these temperatures. 10 to 14 degrees Celsius. It's going to be a lot milder for sure. Now for Monday, we see the same area of low pressure bringing a swathe of strong winds across the country. Look how tightly packed those isobars are. So a blustery kind of day for most of us on Monday, with outbreaks of rain tending to ease to more showery conditions, but there will be lots of showers across western areas of the country. Those showers, the outbreaks of rain driven in by gusts of wind in excess of 50 miles an hour. You might see a few tree branches being brought down with those. And although for most of us it's mild again, temperatures 13, 14 degrees. In Scotland, we're starting to see that colder air return, and there will be some hill snow here across northern areas. And indeed, that colder air pushes southwards into the middle part of the week, dropping the temperatures. But again, there will be some more snow to come across the high ground in northern Scotland.